So let's talk about your journey, that side of your journey. Looking back, what were your initial concerns or hesitations about obtaining surety bonds?
I was going to go.
Richard, go ahead.
Reality check. Bonding, everybody wants to go land the well. $10, $20 million project. Yeah, we can do it. I got the experience. I can handle it. I can manage it. Yeah, they're the reality check. The bonds are there for a reason. I've been part of projects where they've been called horrible. They're there for a reason, and they're a good reality check. They let you build incrementally. You really have to have that at the forefront of your thoughts. So if you're going to engage in bonding, whether it's with foundation or whoever you decide to choose, engage them early. Communication is key. Be as communicative as you can about your situation and what's going on and what you're bidding. If you're looking at a project early, I mean, it literally just dropped 2 days ago. Send it to them. Say, hey, you're looking at this. The ROM on it's, right over my bonding limit. Are we cool with this? Are we not cool with this? I'll tell you one thing that we learned. We were bidding at one point to our bonding limit. So in other words, we were taking shortcuts on projects. And we call Marcus and Peter, and we get on a phone call, and they go, no. Bid the project to be profitable. That's what you need to do. Don't worry about if it's going to be a little bit over, we can work with you. But what you don't want to do is stifle yourself. So communication is key. You got to communicate. Communicate. Sorry.
He's absolutely right. It is a relationship that you need to build before you even go out to bid the projects. Work on what is my bonding program with the bonding agent. And bonding is the last thing you need to, worry at this time. Worry about building your capacity. Whether you are capable of doing that work or not. You need to have a team. Sometimes, we are driven people. That's why everybody is in this room. We are driven. We are a little bit different. You admit that. Otherwise, it is easy to work for somebody and earn a living and be done with it. But you want, more. You want to involve yourself, more. And you are the superintendent. You are the project manager. You are the accountant. You are the clerk. You are answering the telephone. You're doing all those things. That's not going to get you anywhere. It can get you there a little bit, but if you want a bonding, somebody to trust you and to, just say, I'm going to buy for this guy. I'm going to do this. Just give him a credit of this to do this work. You have to build as a team. You have to trust others to help you. You have a dream. That's one thing that you need to build. And don't forget the accountants. They are very critical. You think you can do it? Hey, I have done this complex thing, the operation in the field. What is the backdoor thing here? The accountant. They are very important. Bonding companies look at those things. It's not only the profit. Do you have cash flow? Do you have things, just management team that can handle the growth from $500,000 project to $1 million project? Do you have the team? Or is the ambition that, you think you can do it? No, those things is not going to work in the bonding, space. You have to build the team around you. You have to build the financial, the cash flow. All those things need to be built. Those are the things that the bonding agents will tell you, will teach you how to approach those things. It is not after they got the project. No. There are some projects that you can bid it without a bid bond, but they will ask you to bond it after. They might deny you. But if you work with them and just create a program, a bonding program, they will help you. But relationship is more important. And don't be greedy. You can grow in step by step. All right, thank you.
Yes. Sean?
Yeah, I would say the same thing. Developing the relationship with your bonding agent and understanding what your bond is going to look like, because it'll be sticker shock if not. Because you bid this project, if you haven't accounted for the cost of that bond, if you don't, then you're pulling from your profit that first bond. Yeah, and so it's important that you understand the process. It's also important that you have a bonding company that is vested in your company, that is vested in seeing you grow, and then you have to trust them because you have to listen to them. They have told me no. I didn't like it, but it was the right decision. I did everything that they told me to do, and what do you think that answer was next time? So it's very important that you listen, that you understand that, and understand this as well. You want to make sure that you have the capacity to do the project. So many times people will come in here and they're like, oh, I can get a bond, I can do this, I can do this. If they call your bond, you're done. You're going to have a problem in business moving forward. So you have to make sure that you are prepared. You have to make sure that you have the right relationship. You have to make sure that you're listening and that you go into those projects knowing that everything is in place, your cash flow, your people, so that the project can do well, so that the next time you can increase on your bonding and grow organically, not greedily.